Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangotri Yogin. In this video, we are going to learn the asana called as Janu Sirsasana. So even this pose is also known as head to the knee pose. So let's see how to practice this Janu Sirsasana. This asana may be little easy, looks easy, but this asana may take little long time for the practitioner who practice at the beginning. Because this asana gives you a nice stretch from your ankle with your hip to your whole spine and to your side of the body too. When you practice all forwarding bending asana, which will help for our body. So like this Paschimottanasana, even Janu Sirsasana is also a forward bending pose, which is help for your abdomen and the spine. So if you want healthy spine and the abdomen, then practice this asana. Let's see how to practice this Janu Sirsasana. Stretch your legs forward like this and bend your one leg. So remember, the heel should come close to your body. Bend your leg like this, not too wide to the side, a straight way. So once you sit comfortably, remember to straighten up your spine and raising your chest like this. Pull your toes to your side where you get proper stretch on your calf and your hamstring. Once you are able to sit comfortably in this, take the rope, belt or kerchief, anything, just put it on your foot like this. Raise your chest, pull yourself and down. Slowly up and down. So when you do this movement, avoid bending your knee. Once you complete for a few times and relax. So this movement will increase some capacity or flexibility in your hamstring muscles, which will help you to move down further close to your knee. For next exercise, you need a blanket like this. Just place the blanket on the mat and sit down on the blanket comfortably. So as I mentioned, the leg angle, same way. Press your toes towards your side. Now slowly raise your hands up forward. Inhale. Raise up. Spine straight. Raise up. With exhale, bend forward down. Try to catch your foot or big toe or ankle. Head up. Inhale. Stay here. With exhale, elbows out and bend forward down. If it's easy, bend down complete and try to touch your knee. Now slowly up, head up, stretch your hands, release, slowly come straight way and relax. So remember, here in this asana, you should press your shoulders equally. Sometimes when you do this Janu Sirsasana, the bended leg side, the shoulder will be lightly raised up. Try to press your both shoulders equally. So this blanket will help you with this asana to get down close to your knee. So after completing this blanket stretch, try to do without blanket. I'm going to show you now. Come to this posture. Raise your hands up. Inhale. Spine straight. With exhale, bend forward down. Catch your foot. Inhale it up. Elbows out and bend down. If possible, try to touch your elbow on the mat and bend forward down. Slowly it up. Raise your hands up slowly and relax. Shake your legs, relax for a while. Once you're done with this, bend your leg, the heel come close to your body. Lightly turn your body like this and press your knee to the side. Okay? Sit comfortably. Now slowly raise your hands up. Inhale. With exhale, bend forward down. Head up. Stay here where you feel a nice side stretch. Breathe normal. Inhale. With exhale, down. Benefits of Janu Sirsasana. Helpful in diabetes and releasing the constipation. Strengthen up the lungs. Improve the Jataragni, means digestive fire. Strengthen and tone your wrist, thigh, hamstring and calf muscles. This asana is also very helpful to releasing out your tiredness, boost your energy. The more you practice Janu Sirsasana, the more you will realize the goal of the posture is not only touching your toes, or it's about showing down the focus on your breath and calming your mind. And slowly up. Raise your hands. And relax. Very good. Relax. Shake your legs and relax. So that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. See you on another video. Till then, take care and namaste. Have a great day.